From the Cronkite Studios in downtown Phoenix, this is Cronkite News.
Did you get any rain last night? After days of extreme heat, we get a little moisture.
Plus, after last night's monsoon storms, we tell you what's being done here in Phoenix to prepare for the stormy weather.
Like a needle in a haystack, what ASU researchers found just last week that's gaining national attention.
Cronkite News starts now.
Good evening and welcome to Cronkite News. I'm Crandall Brantley.
And I'm Blair McElroy. Thanks for joining us.
Right now, the Phoenix Parks and Recreation Board is meeting to decide whether to close hiking trails in extreme heat. If approved, the proposal will close trails to hikers when temperatures reach 110 degrees. The change could also prevent hikers from taking their dogs along when temps are over 100 degrees. The proposal comes after a string of hiking-related deaths. Officials are discussing how to enforce the proposed policy and determining consequences for violators. If approved, the policy could go into effect tomorrow.
When those triple-digit temperatures hit, many of us don't want to exercise outside. But for some extreme athletes, that's not an option. They must learn to handle it or suffer the consequences.
It was 122 degrees to start the race. We ran on the road, and the road was a little over 200 degrees.
Ahwatukee resident Perry Ettinger is an experienced ultra-distance runner. In 2013, while running the brutal 135-mile Badwater Ultramarathon in Death Valley, he suffered hyponatremia, a condition in which the body loses too much sodium. While the side effects were drastic and instant, Ettinger continued to feel the effects for 3 years after. I
had pretty bad headaches. If I tried to exercise, I'd have nausea and vomiting and headaches. And the day after the race, I started needing glasses. I could no longer have dairy or soy.
Temperatures in the valley have already hit 118, but many experienced athletes persist on training through the heat. But to stay safe and to avoid the fate that befell Ettinger, they take some strict precautions, starting with acclimating their bodies to the heat.
It takes 2 to 3 weeks of running in the heat every day, and so before my body's acclimated, I try and run in off-peak hours so when it's not super hot out.
Jamil Curry is a local trail and long-distance ultra runner who has competed in over 70 ultra marathons. In addition to trying to get used to the heat, he brings extra water, but not to drink.
To put on my body, wet down my clothes, that helps to cool the body.
To make sure the body is safe during activity, local running and triathlon coach Bettina Warnholtz strongly emphasizes to her athletes the importance of monitoring heart rate.
We know if the body is working too hard by just controlling the heart rate. If we keep it at a low heart rate, even though we go slower, we know that the body is able to sustain that heart rate for a longer period of time.
Camelback Mountain Park rangers say a person needs a full water bottle every 20 minutes, in addition to 2 water bottles prior to your run.
Heat was not the problem last night. A powerful monsoon storm moved in, high winds down power lines and trees. But the beauty of the storm was caught on this time lapse by Ben Bethel. You can see the clouds move in shortly after nightfall. Take a look at how the outward flow from those rain shafts, they go in several different directions. You can also glimpse of the lightning. And then just before dawn, a few more rain showers come down in the valley.
The National Weather Service is recognizing a local hospital for its efforts to provide safety during the monsoon season. Cronkite News reporter Eddie Keller joins us with details.
Blair, Phoenix Children's Hospital is officially storm ready. It's the first hospital in Arizona to earn this recognition from the National Weather Service. And I was there earlier this morning when they received the award.
Monsoon season is here, but as the storm clouds roll in, Phoenix Children's Hospital is ready to take it on.
To be storm ready gives us the ability to create that much more of a safer environment for our patients, families, and staff, because when we do have severe weather, especially during monsoon season, it does have an impact on staff being able to get to work and provide that critical care to our patients, and also impacts our patients and families as well in terms of getting here for appointments.
Storm Ready is a designation given by the National Weather Service.
Storm Ready is a program that we originate to work with our partners to help them become more aware of weather hazards out there.
The National Weather Service has a list of criteria a hospital must meet in order to be considered storm ready.
One of the big criteria is that we have a 24-hour monitoring center. So we do have a 24-hour security dispatch center where we have a very extensive CCTV system. We have the capability to monitor the weather and, most importantly, the ability to communicate. So we do have weather radios in there as well.
And now that they are storm ready, Phoenix Children's Hospital is excited to bring more care to their patients.
Just being the first hospital in the state of Arizona just means that we're that much more prepared to be able to support our clinical mission and really the important work that we do on the clinical side of things.
Phoenix Children's Hospital says they hope other hospitals also embrace being storm ready, so that way they can all provide better care for their communities. Live in downtown Phoenix, Eddie Keller, Cronkite News.
We're getting some amazing photos of Jupiter, courtesy of the Hubble telescope. NASA released this ultraviolet image of auroras at Jupiter's North Pole. NASA says auroras are created when high-energy particles enter a planet's atmosphere near its magnetic poles and collide with atoms of gas. These images come out just days before NASA's Juno spacecraft is due to arrive. It's expected to reach Jupiter on July 4th. In a point of state pride, parts of the Hubble camera were built at the University of Arizona.
We all saw that burst of light a few weeks ago when a meteor flashed across our skies in Arizona. And now pieces of the meteor have been found. Reporter Christina Tatro followed up the group of researchers that found these irreplaceable pieces.
A needle in a haystack. That's what it was like for one group of ASU researchers who were the first to find a set of meteorites that fell from the meteor which lit up the Arizona sky a few weeks ago.
People saw it and people heard it.
Pieces of the meteor that had Arizonans talking for weeks have now been recovered. A team of Arizona State researchers went out last week and searched tirelessly for these little rocks with a big impact.
They're scientifically invaluable. I mean, we know that this thing has not been on the ground long at all.
Found the first small stone. That was amazing news. That said, here they are.
The meteorites were found on the White Mountain Apache tribal land. The ASU researchers were the only team with special access to the area. Now the pieces are being held within these walls of the Center for Meteorite Studies until the tribe grants them access to fully study and examine them. 4.5 billion years. That's how old these meteorites are. The team went out and found about 15 pieces just like this. The exciting thing for them? There's more.
Now we can go back to that original location, so we can actually put all the pieces that we found together.
There are only 5 to 10 recovered meteorites a year in the world, and in Arizona there have only ever been 4.
They give us a perspective of how the solar system material that went into building these bigger planets was, and what were the phenomena or timescales of these events that happened in the early solar system.
The research team and the chairman of the White Mountain Apache tribe are currently negotiating another trip to recover more of these pieces. And this week, the Center for Meteorite Studies will have a display of these meteorites open to the public on the ASU campus. For more information, visit cronkitenews.azpbs.org for the full digital report. In the Broadcast Center, Christina Tatro, Cronkite News.
The 4th of July is just around the corner, and millions will be traveling.
Some will be sharing the road with trucks carrying all the fireworks for Independence Day shows. Coming up on Cronkite News. We look at how truckers manage to deliver all those fireworks in time for the 4th while keeping the highways safe.
Plus, the military lists a ban on transgender soldiers, what this means for the transgender community.
The true measure of all our actions is how long the good in them lasts.
This is who I am, where I'm from.
If you're on the right side of history, you can accomplish anything.
It's a connection between your present and your past.
Come this way. This is good. This is very good.
We are attempting to fulfill the promise of America.
The stories about who we are shape us.
This chance to go through a time machine.
Good heavenly days.
We should know our history.
It informs, but it doesn't constrict you.
It's a framework to carry out human activity.
The sky is the limit.
It started a long time ago.
For only the 3rd time in the award's 74-year history,
a Phoenix-based news operation wins the prestigious Alfred I. DuPont Columbia Award for Excellence in Broadcast Journalism. And this year, that news operation is Cronkite News, the news division of Arizona PBS, honored for its work on the groundbreaking documentary, Hooked, Tracking Heroin's Hold on Arizona. Cronkite News at Arizona PBS, award-winning journalism you can count on from the station you trust.
Hearts are heavy in Arizona tonight as we mark the 3rd anniversary of the Yarnell Hill Fire, the deadliest fire in Arizona history. Governor Doug Ducey ordered flags at all state buildings to be lowered to half-staff today. 19 firefighters of the Granite Mountain Hotshot crew died in 2013. When the wind shifted, trapping them, the community of Yarnell scheduled a memorial tonight, and a moment of silence was held this afternoon in Prescott, following 19 tolls of the courthouse bell. And coming up on a special edition of Arizona Horizon, Ted Simons talks with 2 authors of books of the Yarnell Hill Fire tragedy. Again, that's coming up at 5:30 on Arizona Horizon, right here on Arizona PBS. Every year there are fireworks on the 4th of July, and every year for the past 11 years, the government has relaxed rest requirements for the drivers who deliver those truckloads of fireworks. Veronica Costa in our Washington Bureau explains that combination is not as explosive as it sounds.
It may sound like we have sleepy drivers out on the road, and while it is serious, the people who stage the shows say it's as safe as ever.
Before fireworks get here, they have to go through this first.
When you're dealing with 16,000 displays that will occur over the 4th of July holiday, it's impossible for the industry to have enough trucks, enough equipment to be able to operate within the hours of service.
Normally, truckers can only be on duty for 14 hours a day, but for firework drivers who don't have a bed in their truck, that's a problem.
The American Pyrotechnics Association filed for a renewal of our hours of service waiver, which is known as an exemption, to provide the professionals in the display industry with some relief from the hours of service requirements.
That relief doesn't mean truckers aren't getting rest. It just makes it easier for them to get it.
All that industry is asking for is that they can, take a rest break at the site, and that does not go towards their workday. Without the waiver, our companies would exceed the hours of service requirements.
And exceeding the requirements would mean no fireworks.
Federal Motor Carrier is acknowledging that the industry is moving tools of trade and basically taking an appropriate rest period before driving the vehicle again. The folks that need it are the professional display companies.
The waiver only applies to those who ask for it. I checked, and even though there aren't any Arizona members, I spoke to one company that said they didn't find the need to be on it since they wouldn't be conducting more than one show on one day. In Washington, I'm Veronica Acosta, Cronkite News.
In a landmark announcement, the Pentagon will now allow transgender individuals to serve in the military, lifting one of the last bans on service in the armed forces. Defense Secretary Ash Carter says that starting today, otherwise qualified service members can no longer be involuntarily separated, discharged, or denied re-enlistment or continuation of service just for being transgender. Defense Secretary Carter also said that only a person's qualifications should matter.
I'm also confident that we have reason to be proud today of what this will mean for our military, because it's the right thing to do, and it's another step in ensuring that we continue to recruit and retain the most qualified people. And good people are the key to the best military in the world.
Secretary Carter says the changes will take about a year to fully be in effect.
And this morning, the city of Phoenix announced it will now test all sex crime evidence collection kits that come to the Phoenix Police Department, including approximately 1,700 untested kits currently in Phoenix PD's possession. The new procedure is effective tomorrow. We included detailed steps as sexual assault is reported to police. Phoenix PD says that this new process supports a more victim-centered approach and will be a welcome and aggressive step forward in combating sex crimes. The White Mountain Apache tribe goes to Washington in a fight for clean drinking water.
Coming up on Cronkite News, why the Arizona tribe says Congress isn't keeping its part of a water rights agreement.
and how One Valley Group is helping foster families send kids to school.
We are here tonight to explore tough issues.
You've got to have people around you who aren't just laying rose petals in front of your way.
And I kid you not, this is true.
Trust is everything.
This has been so much fun. It's about reaching people.
There are more players on the world stage. The issues are more complex.
We ask the questions that take us closer to the truth.
What happened and what might happen.
Because that's what we do.
Would you like doing something like I do? I couldn't do this. I'm not qualified.
I was thinking exactly the same thing.
When I was 12 years old, I was watching great performances on PBS. This program with Nureyev came on. Nureyev in a performance of Le Corsaire, and I was amazed and awestruck. I really wanted to do it. I was street dancing at the time, and I never thought of formal dance until I saw great performances. I knew that I was really a novice to dance, like high dance. I decided to check out the High School Performing Arts. And so one thing led to the next. Today, as a recognized dancer, I absolutely believe that when I saw the performance, it affected me tremendously. And I know that's what happens when I teach. I'm opening an option for them that they hadn't seen before.
For only the third time in the award's 74-year history, a Phoenix-based news operation wins the prestigious Alfred I. DuPont Columbia Award for Excellence in Broadcast Journalism. And this year, that news operation is Cronkite News, the news division of Arizona PBS, honored for its work on the groundbreaking documentary, Hooked, Tracking Heroin's Hold on Arizona. Cronkite News at Arizona PBS, award-winning journalism you can count on from the station you trust.
Supporters of legalizing marijuana in Arizona have made their voices heard. They say more than 250,000 signatures have been collected to put a measure on the November ballot that would legalize pot. Those signatures still need to be certified, but the amount far exceeds the 150,000 needed by July to be added onto the ballot. Under the proposed measure, adults age 21 and older can carry limited amounts of marijuana. Cannabis would be regulated like alcohol and have a 15% tax. Supporters also estimate that legal pot would bring in nearly $82 million in annual tax revenue and more than $55 million to K-12 education. But opponents say the measure lets medical marijuana dispensaries have a monopoly on licenses to sell. Governor Doug Ducey has issued an executive order effective immediately that terminated all state contracts with professional lobbyists. This essentially ends the practice of state agencies, regulatory boards, and commissions spending public dollars on contract lobbyists. An analysis by the governor's office found that about $1 million of taxpayer money has been spent on lobbyists since the 2015 fiscal year.
The White Mountain Apache tribe says the government needs to live up to the word to provide them with a supply of clean drinking water. Cronkite reporter Megan Finnerty tells us the tribe wants the government to finish the work on the Minor Flat Dam.
White Mountain Apache tribal leaders urge Congress to live up to their commitments and help the Arizona tribe avoid what they called a drinking water crisis.
Mr. Chairman, the federal government made a deal with the White Mountain Apache 6 years ago that we would build the Minor Flat Dam.
Vice Chair of the tribe, Casey Velasquez, testified in support of the bill that would let the tribe tap into undesignated funds from a 2010 water rights settlement to finish the dam.
Water is very important to the White Mountain Apache tribe, just like it's important all over this world.
Bill sponsor Senator John McCain said time is of the essence.
Currently facing a drinking water crisis. Groundwater wells on the reservation have dropped by 50%. And the North Fork of the White River is expected to run dry by 2020 without the Minor Flat Dam Reservoir project.
But an official from the Department of Interior said the terms of the settlement do not allow the $78.5 million to be used on the dam. The department said it does not have enough details to support the bill now, but it's expecting to meet with the tribe next week. McCain said this can't be another broken promise.
A lot of treaties have been broken, a lot of agreements have been broken, as we all know, throughout our history of our relations with Native Americans. But it's very clear here that we need to get this dam built if your tribe is going to have the lifestyle of which is dictated by an adequate supply of water. So,
reporting in Washington, I'm Megan Finnerty, Cronkite News.
An update on a story we told you earlier this week. Local theater company on the verge of saying that's a wrap for the year may have an encore after all. A local businessman, Mike Kasser, says he will pledge $1 million to contribute to the Arizona Theater Company if the public can raise funds up to that amount. The deadline to raise $2 million to save the theater company has been extended from this Friday to July 15th.
There are thousands of children in foster care.
Coming up on Cronkite News. One Valley Group is getting ready to send kids to school. What you can do to lend a helping hand to kids in need.
This is the real thing. This is where we were born.
One of the amazing things about the history of life on Earth is it keeps learning new tricks.
The animals, the plants, really gets in your blood. The voices in the back row don't know what we don't know, we yell into the night.
Everything's interconnected.
We've got to begin to tell a new story, a story about interaction.
It's something that really touches my heart. There's just massive life everywhere. It's just magic.
For only the third time in the award's 74-year history, a Phoenix-based news operation wins the prestigious Alfred I. DuPont Columbia Award for Excellence in Broadcast Journalism. And this year, that news operation is Cronkite News, the news division of Arizona PBS, honored for its work on the groundbreaking documentary, Hooked, Tracking Heroin's Hold on Arizona. Cronkite News at Arizona PBS, award-winning journalism you can count on from the station you trust.
I'm an urban gardener. I'm a PhD student in criminology law and society.
I have an expertise in construction history.
I also happen to be a swing dancer. Oh, and I'm a source.
And I really like being a source.
Great journalism requires great sources, and we want you to be one of them. Arizona PBS is building a network of viewers, people with insight into the stories we cover and the stories we should cover. Explore what it means to be a source for the Arizona PBS Public Insight Network at azpbs.org/pin.
Heaven knows you're a dreamer. Don't hide it from anyone. Don't hide it from anyone. Would you believe me if I said we are here for a reason now? This is our life. This is what counts. This is for us. I will go anywhere for you.
The number of foster children in Arizona is increasing. However, not every foster family has everything they need to make that new family member feel at home. Cronkite News reporter Jahweh Jah takes you to the warehouse operated by Arizona Helping Hands to see how this nonprofit organization helps.
Today we came here to get a couple beds for the older boys. We have some clothing, birthday gifts.
Mike Martinez is a parent to 5 foster children in Goodyear. It's not always easy to make ends meet, and he relies on Arizona Helping Hands.
We provide basic essential needs for children who have been brought into the Department of Child Safety system.
According to Arizona Department of Child Safety data, the number of children in foster care reached more than 19,000, and most of them don't have governmental support.
There's a huge need. Every day we see families that walk in our door, have no place for that child to sleep. They shouldn't be sleeping on the sofa. They shouldn't be sleeping on an air mattress. They should have at least their spot.
So they started providing bags for foster children. In July of 2013, the program had just 7 bags to give away. Now, 180 bags a month go to foster children. In the warehouse of Arizona Helping Hands, they provide all kinds of stuff for children in foster families. Like here, the small clothes are for the newborn babies.
Anytime we get new placements or we need items, we call Helping Hands to see if they could help us first, so which saves us money. Thank you, Helping Hands.
In addition, Helping Hands is now busy on its backpack program to get children ready to start school.
And it's our goal to provide 4,000 children with a backpack and supplies to start the new school year.
They need your help to reach that goal of 4,000 backpacks. The easiest way, purchase backpacks on the Arizona Helping Hands website. In Scottsdale, Jia Huijia, Cronkite News.
You can also make donations at 2 drop-off events. The first is July 9th from 9 to 1 at the Office Max at the Scottsdale Promenade. The second will be on July 16th from 10 to 1 at the Sam's Club at Loop 101 and Frank Lloyd Wright.
Cronkite News is proud to be the news division of Arizona PBS. Here's what's coming up on Arizona Horizon and PBS NewsHour.
On the next Arizona Horizon, we mark 3 years since the deadly Yarnell Hill fire by talking to the author of a new book on the fire. We'll then hear from the lone Granite Mountain hotshot survivor of the fire as he discusses his new book.
I'm Judy Woodruff. On the next NewsHour, I discuss the world's refugee crisis with the U.S. Ambassador to the United Nations, Samantha Power. That's Thursday on the PBS NewsHour.
That's it for Cronkite News tonight. Thanks for joining us.
For top Arizona stories anytime, go to cronkitenews.azpbs.org.